Welcome to Trade Pro. Today I'm going to be testing this MACD trading strategy 100 times in front of you so you can see how profitable it is and see if you would like to trade this strategy yourself. Now let me explain the strategy. First of all, the risk to reward ratio is going to be a 2-to-1. Second rule, price is below 200 EMA, you can only short. Price is above 200 EMA, you can only long. Let me show you a trade example. So for this setup, we'll be looking for a cross down because price is below the 200 EMA. Right here where it ticks down is this green candle. You're going to take your short entry. Now, you're going to aim for the nearest swing high for that stop loss. And then you're going to set a 2-to-1 RR. This is the strategy. So this trade would be a winner, hits target profit before getting stopped out. Same thing with a long, but the opposite. So let's find price above where it crosses up. So here's a cross up right here. So you're going to take your risk to reward, enter on this green candle close, nearest swing low, and then you're going for a 2-to-1 RR. And as you can see, this trade was also a nice winner. So that's the strategy. Now I'm going to fast forward through it and see what the results are over the course of 100 trades, starting now. There it is, 100 trades. Let's take it to the results screen here. Here's the full results of the MACD crossover strategy with the added in EMA. Now, there were 100 total trades, 41 of those were winners, 59 were losses. That's using a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. The win percentage was 41%, with the longest win streak being 8 trades in a row, the longest losing streak being 9 trades in a row. And then the overall percent profit on your account over the course of 100 trades would have been around 23%. Quite a good strategy, super simple, but I think I can do much better in the future tweaking the strategy even more. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you'd like to see any other strategies, but I'm going to keep pumping out these videos almost daily. Have a nice day, everyone.